I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Install Cisco AnyConnect and accept location/VPN permissions so the app can create a secure tunnel. Once done, make sure you have the VPN server address, username, password, and any certificate or group name from your admin. You should also connect to reliable data or a private Wi-Fi. Captive portals break VPN handshakes. This brief prep prevents common failures and gets you straight into configuring a connection without wasted backtracking. You'll now configure the connection. Open AnyConnect and tap Add or the plus button, then give the profile a descriptive name so you can pick it quickly later. Next, paste the server address precisely and select any client certificate if your administrator provided one. Enter group or realm details only when required, and avoid always on unless corporate policy mandates it because that changes when and how connections start. Save the profile and double-check spelling to prevent handshake failures. You're at the finish line. Tap the profile, enter your credentials, and accept any authentication prompts or MFA requests. Once connected, verify by checking the assigned VPN IP, testing access to an internal site or resource, and confirming DNS resolves internal domains. If anything blocks access, disconnect and retry. Sometimes toggling airplane mode or restarting the app or phone clears stale network state. If it still fails, reinstall AnyConnect and then contact your IT admin with logs so they can diagnose server-side issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.